Hey mamas, welcome to the first episode of my series on how to make money by creating faceless reels. If you're a stay-at-home mom looking to bring in some income without showing your face on camera, this is the place for you. In this episode, we're going to talk about what faceless reels are and why they are perfect for side hustle for moms like us. So let's dive right in. Faceless reels are exactly what they sound like. Videos, content where you are not on camera. You can use your hands, objects, or even text to communicate your message. It's a fun, creative way to create engaging videos without the pressure of being on camera, whether it's showing off DIY projects, offering tips and tricks, or sharing products. Faceless reels give you the flexibility to express yourself without feeling exposed. Now let's talk about why faceless reels are perfect for moms. If you're anything like me, juggling family life with work and side hustles can be challenging. The great thing about faceless reels is that they allow you to create high quality content without needing to be on camera, which means no hair and makeup stress, no worry about lighting or angles, and no feeling self-conscious. You don't need to be a professional photographer or videographer or influencer to start making money with these reels. You just need a smartphone, a bit of creativity, and willingness to try new things. Plus, faceless content is super popular right now. It's engaging and relatable. One of the biggest benefits of faceless reels for stay-at-home moms is the ability to work on your own time. You can create content in between nap times or after your little ones go to bed. The flexibility is key, and with the right tools and knowledge, you can build a sustainable income stream from home, like at the comfort of your home. How sweet is that? In this series, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to start making money with faceless reels. From the tools you need, to how to create your first reel, to how to sell your content and grow your online business. You'll learn the best tips and tricks for staying consistent and scaling up while managing life as a mom. If you're ready to dive into the world of faceless reels and start making money from home, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss any episode. I'm so excited to share this journey with you. Kindly leave a comment below if you ever tried creating faceless content or if you're excited to get started. And let me know what topics you'd love to see covered in this series.